Channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review and comparison about these two outreach AI tools, which is untitled and Warmy. So let's get started with the in-depth comparison review about these two outreach platforms. So to get started, in 2025, untitled is a go-to tool for finding verified professional email addresses and organizing leads. It offers domain searches, bulk email funding, and integration with CRMs and outreach platforms, making it ideal for the top of the funnel. Whether you are a sourcing lead from companies, website, or LinkedIn, Untitled help you find a clean, targeted contact list efficient. Now, talking about Warmy, on the other hand, specialized in email warm-up and delivery ability. It improves sender reputation on your cold email actually, which reach your inbox instead of spam folder. They serve a very different part of the outreach process, so it's not a matter of which is best. So overall, untitled is the best for building the special lead list, while Warmy is essential for making sure your outreach gets seen. And here's a bit of credit about these two platforms. So you can use the untitled to find the right contact and Warmy to make sure your email land. Both are vital if you are serious about cold outreach in 2025. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks.